I made a video about my favorite accessories for the Fujifilm XH2S a few months ago. These accessories, they can make your filming experience much more fun, much more enjoyable. They can help you film for longer periods of time, and they can ease the creative process. My kit was almost complete, but I had to add a few elements. Let's take a look at them. So yeah, at the time I needed a better grip on my camera, and I needed to mount diverse accessories around that camera. That's why I got the cage and the handles back then. I now have two of them, two wooden handles. They look beautiful, and now I can put them on both sides. I can attach a mic easily on top or a monitor on the top handle. It will all depend on the type of shots I need. But if I need more accessories, there's a point where, well, the cage might not be enough. This is where the Tilta lightweight shoulder rig comes in. Easy to assemble, light and compact, and delivered with a nice case. For any light camera setup, this is perfect. You can adjust the length and angles of the arms. The entire rig can sit still on your shoulder. And all the mounting holes allow you to screw almost all the additional accessories you want. And if I ever need to film for longer periods of time, I will use an external battery to power my monitor, to power my camera, and even a video transmitter. To power all this, I have the Tilta V-mount battery plate, USB-C power delivery, D-tap. I currently use the VIII V98 Micro because of how compact and reliable they are on set. This gives me options. I can currently shoot with a tiny little setup handheld, or have more power and stability on the shoulder with the entire rig. Now I have to find a different way of managing my cables, just to make this setup as clean as possible. So Tilta delivers once again simple and affordable tools. Both the shoulder rig and V-mount plates are really well built. Am I done? Maybe not. But if this rig evolves, I will let you know. By the way, I'm looking for a cable that will allow me to record on my Atomos Ninja 5 in 6K in ProRes RAW HQ. I've tested 3 different Atomos cables and all of them only lasted a few weeks. I've also bought a few Amazon ones and they still give me a few video blackouts. So if you have any suggestions, please, your help will be greatly appreciated. A new behind the scenes photography, behind the scenes video will be published tomorrow, so stay tuned. I guess that I will catch you in this next one. Until then, take care and please have a good one.